Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Credit One Bank customer service. First of all, open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar. Type down creditonebank.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage, in the top right there's this customer service icon. You need to select that. And from here you can find this frequently asked question about troubling signing to your account for lost access card credit. Over here you can also select this view all FAQs, and from here, if you find any relatable issue, you can simply open it. And after that, you may find instructions here as well. And you can follow the instruction here, or you can simply go back to FAQ here and go back again. Over here, scroll a bit down here. If you do not find what you need, you can also call the customer service directly. And over here, these are the number. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your identity information available for identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.